Welcome back, guys, to this course. We are going to try and import the file we downloaded from the localhost. Then we are going to close the localhost since we are done downloading the file from the localhost. After you are done with all your design from the localhost, after you've exported it, then you have the design on that file. So all you have to do is to come to your live server dashboard, and these are our live server dashboard. As you remember, this is the domain name we bought, or our free domain name, and this is the w-admin. So whenever you have a WordPress website, all you have to do is just put w-admin at the back to come to the admin panel. Right now we are at the admin panel, and I want to just tell you something before we proceed. The admin panel now has the admin name we created the other time and the password we created the other time. When you log out and you try to log in back to this admin panel, you have to use that admin name. So let's try and log out and log in back. So we are going to log out of this and log in back. So once we log out, all we have to do is just put the admin username we input the other times. We use Billard actions and we use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then I'm going to log in. Then once I log in, it brings me back to my dashboard because it's that username we use during our hosting registration. But right now we are going to import the website we just downloaded from our localhost. So all we have to do is to install that same plugin back. So you can just come to plugins in the live server dashboard, then try and install that plugin. So you can delete all these plugins because they are not needed for now. And all we have to do is just to search for plugin, and the plugin we are looking for is, we are going to add new. Just click on add new, then we are going to search for the plugin we are looking for. Then it's all-in-one. The plugin we are looking for is all-in-one WP. This is it right there. Look at this icon, it says all-in-one WP migration. So we are going to try and install this plugin. Click on the install to install it. Then we are going to wait for the installation to get done. We are going to activate the all-in-one WP migration, and we're going to try and import the file we exported from our localhost. So we are going to come back to the plugin. Since it says it has been installed successfully, we are going to come back to the plugins to see if our plugins has been installed. Then we're going to activate this all-in-one WP migration plugin. So after I've activated it, all I have to do is just to come back to the main menu of the all-in-one WP migration that shows on our dashboard. Then I'm going to click on import. Once you click on it, it overs like we did the other time. Then you import your file. So we import the file we exported from our localhost. So it says import from, we are importing from a file because we exported to file the other time. So we're going to import from a file, and this is the file right here. The file is right here. So we're going to click on this file and we're going to open it. So that way it's going to import our file from the local host, and we're going to have that new website right here. So once this file is imported, is the login of our local host we are going to use instead of the one we used to create our admin. Are you getting it? So we are not going to use the admin, the Billard actions 1 2 3 4 5 8 we used to register the hosting anymore, because the website hosting is gone right now. The WordPress from the hosting is gone right now. Is the one from the localhost we have right now on our live server. So all we have to do is to log in with that username and password we use on our local host for the live server right now, because that's the website we have right here right now. And we're going to wait for this to get imported. Then we're going to finalize this video. This video is coming to an end already. This course is coming to an end already, and I hope you've enjoyed the course so far. You've learned the basic of WordPress and web design, and I hope this course is experimental enough. According to his name, it says experimental web design with WordPress, and I hope you've experienced the design of WordPress websites and any website with WordPress. We are going to carry on with projects later in this course, but for now all you have to do now is to work on projects. Then you are good to go. You are a web designer. I congratulate you once again for seeing this course to this very stage. I wait for this to get installed, then we are going to move on from here to our projects, to our business opportunities. But for now, you are a web designer. Just see yourself as a web designer. This website being imported 100%, so we'll be able to import the website. And I want to bring your attention to something. Do you know you can design your website from the live server straight up? Like for instance, if you are given a web design job, all you have to do is to get the hosting service and domain name first, then you build on the admin panel of the hosting service on the live server instead of importing from localhost or exporting from localhost. I don't know if you understand. So you can easily build your websites from here, and we're going to do that in our project session. We're going to build all our websites from this dashboard. I hope to see you in the next session of this course. See you there.